Hi, I'm Karen, and today Rex and I are going to tell you why we think social influence are the next big thing in marketing. We're going to begin this presentation by discussing the benefits and drawbacks of this trend. Then we'll move on to 3 case studies of brands that have tapped into influencers and discuss their effects. Finally, we'll conclude with some ideas about what this trend means for marketing and what marketers should look out for in the future. As you can see from this Google Trend report, influencer marketing is becoming an increasingly relevant topic. As the world shifts to social media, people are going to look towards each other to inform their purchasing decisions. This opens up a whole new channel for brands to connect with their customers more directly and organically. We believe the scale at which this change is occurring is going to have profound effects in the way that marketers reach their customers. Now we're going to talk about a few reasons why influencer marketing is so powerful. First, it employs word-of-mouth recommendations, which generate sales at more than twice the rate of paid advertising and lead to a 37% higher retention rate. This is especially relevant in a world where consumers are increasingly tired of paid ads. Influencer marketing's power lies in its ability to leverage personalities that consumers already follow and admire. Secondly, influencer marketing is also significant because of the rise of social media. A new report from Salesforce found that 70% of brands are increasing their spending on social media advertisements this coming year. Unlike traditional media, social media is interactive. This allows brands to connect with customers through a familiar face. In this new paradigm, influencers are a force to be reckoned with. Brands can strategically partner with the right personalities to spark organic conversations and engage their followers. Third, influencer marketing actually ends up being cheaper than traditional marketing. An arbitrage exists when something is selling for cheaper than it is actually worth. If you purchase this good, you'll get a discounted price since the good's real value is greater than its market price. In short, it's an opportunity to make big profits with a small effort. Influencer marketing is currently at an arbitrage. There's a massive supply of influencers, but few marketers running influencer campaigns, meaning that the cost of buying influencer promotion is below its real value. Fourth, influencer marketing helps companies raise their digital profiles and search engine visibility. According to the social media revolution, user-generated social posts account for 25% of search results for the world's top 20 brands. The more people mention your brand on social media, the more popular and relevant you will be on Google. In addition, having an authentic social following can only boost your brand's profile. Fifth, influencer marketing is relatively easy to track or monitor compared to traditional marketing. Every website visit, social like, and picture post online can be stored and analyzed, yielding tons of data that can turn into valuable insights about your target market and your advertising performance. Being able to constantly monitor the effectiveness of marketing campaigns allows brands to perfect their strategy as they go. Now we're going to talk about some of the drawbacks of influencer marketing. First, influencer marketing can sometimes be deceptive. When paid content is disguised as original, it can lead consumers to making choices that they otherwise would not have made. As a result, when brands choose influencers to work with, they must be people who would have used the brand's product even if they hadn't been approached. Secondly, influencers must be qualified to promote their brand's products. A reality TV star, for example, should have no right to advocate for a prescription drug. Third, influencers can often be hard to work with. The third most cited challenge with this kind of marketing is approaching and engaging them. The increasing popularity of influencer marketing has increased the demand for influencers, meaning that brands will have to work hard to win them over. To have the best chance of engaging influencers, brands must offer not only a financial reward, but also connection to an organization relevant to the influencer and their audience. Now we're going to examine 3 brief case studies of companies that have used influencer marketing. Our first case is about Lord & Taylor's Spring 2015 campaign. The company used 50 online fashion celebrities to promote its new Design Lab clothing collection on Instagram in exchange for free apparel and thousands of dollars. The post reached 11.4 million Instagram users and resulted in 328,000 brand engagements.
In March, the FTC issued a complaint against Lord & Taylor for paying fashion influencers to create posts about one of its dresses on Instagram, without disclosing that the retailer paid them and gave them the dresses for free. As part of its settlement, Lord & Taylor is prohibited from misrepresenting its paid advertising and is required to disclose any unexpected material connection with its influencers. The consent order also creates a monitoring and reviewing program for Lord & Taylor's other campaigns. This case was important for the creation of strict advertising guidelines for influencer marketing that protects consumers from native ads, as well as set up guidelines that clearly indicate a paid ad from a private post. While we can see the benefits from influencer marketing in terms of scope and establishing connections with a range of consumers, companies need to be careful to avoid deceiving the customers. Launched last summer, Coke's spinoff of their Share a Coke campaign called Share a Coke and Song attempted to actively involve consumers by allowing them to customize and submit lyrics that would be featured on Coke bottles. The campaign also urged people to take a selfie with the bottle and share the picture on Instagram with the caption #ShareACoke. The goal of the campaign was to select lyrics that capture a moment that reflect Coke's brand values of optimism, refreshment, and inclusion. Coke decided to use Selena Gomez as the face of this campaign while also incorporating her own song lyrics onto Coke bottles. The celebrity's photo on Instagram, advertising the campaign, resulted in the most liked Instagram photo with close to 6 million likes. After Selena's post, social media posts skyrocketed mimicking the celebrity selfie along with their participation in the lyric campaign. Influencer marketing often starts with a bandwagon effect among consumers. Coke clearly labeled any ad using an influencer to avoid misleading the consumer, as well as provided legitimacy to the campaign. Notice the hashtag ad at the bottom. That would meet the FTC standards for letting the audience know that the post was a paid advertisement. In comparison, another popular social media influencer, like Kylie Jenner, has received backlash over not labeling posts that promote products. Our final case study explores one of the most well-known social media influencers, Kim Kardashian, with close to 87 million followers. Here, she is seen endorsing Express Smile Lance on Instagram. The DIY teeth whitening system has received mixed reviews on the product's efficiency and does not live up to the claims that influencers promise on their post. With little regulation on the type of products influencers can promote, this raises the issues about which products are safe to promote without any medical input. There have been groups such as Public Citizen that believe the FTC has not cracked down on social media influencers as strictly as they should have. The group filed for an official complaint after they said they documented 113 examples where products were violated. Many of the celebrities cited in the investigation are role models for children and teens. These idols have a primarily young and impressionable audience, which again raises the issue on what products are safe to publicly promote without professional opinions. Some examples are Fit Tea, aimed at promoting weight loss, which is a very personal issue for many people and oftentimes uses false claims as evidence. Kim Kardashian is promoting a prescription drug to help treat morning sickness. After she posted a selfie, she came under harsh ridicule from the FDA as a result of forgetting to mention any potential side effects or health warnings. The FDA is cracking down on these adverts to protect people from any health complications. This shows just how little product promotion is regulated through the use of influencers and both the advantages and disadvantages of promoting high-risk products. Influencer marketing is a relatively new approach to promoting products to a large scope of potential consumers. This method helps to provide a more personalized approach by using a familiar face and someone that the consumer admires as validation for a specific product. If done right, influencer marketing can establish a respectable connection between a consumer and a brand. As seen in the Coke campaign, Selena Gomez was able to jumpstart the campaign by promoting positive lyrics about inclusion in a fun and playful way. However, with thinly defined guidelines on acceptable product promotion, the FTC has yet to clearly say what types of products are acceptable to promote and which ones aren't. It is currently up to the discretion of the influencer to decide on which products they promote. The FTC stresses the importance of clearly labeling paid and private posts to not mislead an audience on any type of product promotion. Influencer marketing is still such a young promotional tool and will definitely be gaining popularity in the years to come.